In this video we will guide how to create or add a call queue in ICTPbx. Log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Call Queue. Now click on the Add Queue button and you will be redirected to the Add Queue page. Enter the queue name and extension number. Select the strategies from the drop-down list such as Ring All, Longest Idle Agent, Round Robin, Top Down and so on. Enter the music on hold audio file path. Click on Add Agent button from the Agent tab. Enter the agent name or SIP user and then select the extension from the contact column. After entering all the required information, click on Save button to save the call queue.